Guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, here's a difference. Got my nails done. This one's kind of big though. Don't know why. I don't know why. Don't ask me. So today, you guys already know from the title, bruh. So today, I am going to be showing you my sister's. Sorry about the noise from my sister while she's watching Netflix movies. So I'm going to ask her some. Okay. So I am eating a grape, but I'm really doing my sister's little slime collections. So the little jars. Basically, like this. So, let's get on to opening them. So, here's the first one that I showed you guys an example. This is like the prettiest slime ever. It's like so glittery. Let's move these out of the way. You guys see that? No. Those blue stuff. Oh yeah, I think you guys see it right there. It's like I would call it like mint slime. I don't know, like mint something. Blue mint. Yeah, I think I'd call it snow mint. Or okay, I'm gonna call it peppermint. I mean, let's do blue mint, cause you know, as you can see, it's blue. And the mint is blue. And this one really looks good with this one. I might make a photo on my phone right now. Look, this is so cute, bro. What do you guys see? Nah, I think I should make it more like zigzaggy. So, okay, so. Okay, I don't want to do it, but I think it's getting really sticky now because my skin is super sensitive in other body parts. Wait. Oh, get off. So, Sylvia, look. Sylvia. So, oh, it looks like a booger. So, babe, wanna come out with me with these long nails? Okay, now I think I have like super sensitive skin. Okay, guys, so why don't I put this back inside the packaging? I don't know why this one don't want to come off. Okay, I don't think I can. Okay, there it is. There's the box. And anyways, oh wow, broke a nail. Never mind. Did I just throw that? Why do I keep on doing that? Anyways, we're gonna go on to the next slime here. We got this like really purple one. I don't think you guys can see it. There we go. So it looks like it's from this like, but it's actually not for. It's just filled on the sides. What was that? Okay, whatever. There we go.
Sometimes true heroes have to sacrifice themselves for the greater good. Not asking.
Okay.
One last mission.
Okay.
Take out Train's bionic thugs and you're done.
Fine. But just to be clear, when we're done, we're done.
Okay, so here's it.
I can do that.
Oh my god, I'm gonna make a swirly. I don't know, it's not called a swirly, but okay guys, I've never poked slime with these kind of It feels weird. Just feels like super weird.
I get bored waiting for him to change, so I added old music.
I don't get this. Okay, here's my thumbnail. Okay, actually, here's my thumbnail.
We don't even know where we're going yet. Right you are.
What should I do?
When I created the Triton app, I integrated the tracking element. We can use it to locate
That was the weirdest practicing thumbnail thing ever.
abandoned junkyard.
What was that? I don't
Right
know.
near Pike's Crest.
Wait.
Let's
Switch it
go.
up. Why is this? Oh my gosh.
Where's Pike's Crest?
Oh, that's weird.
All right.
Okay, that's my thumbnail. So,
Agreed.
Which means I'm in
or
charge.
should I do this? Alright, those are one of my thumbnails. So, there's my.
That must be the communications equipment they stole. They're probably just trying to get the Sunday football back.
Okay, let's put that back.
The Jets fans. Wait. Door open.
Oh, what the heck? Anyways, let's get on to the next one.
Take our vacations.
I don't know what this color is like. It's really glimmery.
We're gonna take on that many people.
Wow.
Let's
I don't. Oh, I see some glitter. They're gonna put a color in the videos right now.
Uh-oh. Get ready, brothers and sisters. The war is coming.
Okay, let's take this out.
Mr. Davenport, it's worse than we thought. Creed isn't just controlling a few random kids. It's an entire bionic army. Girls, too. Some of them are hot. A whole army? How is that possible? Creed bought my technology. He must have started genetically engineering those kids behind my back.
So,
Does explain the hundreds of babies.
why did I make that face? I don't know why. But
So, what's our next move?
Creed!
next one.
I don't negotiate.
It's like really here. This is the color, but there's like white things in it. White foam. Oh, look, it's attached.
We're on to you, Crane. We know you're using your Triton app to control them. Oh, I'm not just controlling them. Now that I've perfected this technology, I can transmit the Triton app to anyone. Allow me to
So,
demonstrate.
you guys hear what my sister's watching? Comment down below if you guys know what movie that's from, and then I'll link it in the description down below what it's called. But you guys get not paid, so I keep on messing up. Oh my god. Okay, guys. So we got another slime here. It looks really, really clear right now. Just get on and opening it. I didn't touch. I haven't. How do I open this? Oh, wow. That's still kind of hard. Weird. That looks weird. That looks like a candy. Oh, that like feels so much like candy. Okay, this is good Twizzlers. Okay, this is actually my actual thumbnail.
Obviously planned this out. There. Now the satellites are orbiting right into the path of my Triton signal.
Ew.
I just love technology.
Happens to me too. Ew. Stop doing it on my ground.
Constructing a satellite dish. That must be how they're going to transmit the signal. We have to shut it down.
But how? He has too many soldiers.
We don't have a choice. If Crane succeeds, it'll be the end of the world as we know it. That's right. If you're going to face a whole army, I'm going to have to max out your bionics. Douglas, go and find us our most powerful weapons. I know, stay here and monitor every concept. Not this time. You're coming with us. What? Is this another let's use Leo as bait plan? No, we go and hope we can get control of our training. You've earned the right to fight alongside this guy.
Oh, that one. Mm-mm.